Hi there guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're going to talk about another drink from our new Masterclass menu. We took a classic, the Sex on the Beach, and we zhuzhed it up and turned it into a Mex on the Beach. We swapped vodka for delicious Cascabel tequila. So hope you're going to like it, enjoy it, see you soon.
Hiya, it's Kay. I'm here at TT Liquor on busy Kingsland Road, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of our new cocktail class drinks. This is a fun one. This one's called the Mex on the Beach. And first thing going in there is going to be my tequila. And we are going in with about 30 mils of our tequila. So we've got this stuff, Pêche de Vin, or Creme De Peche. Now we want about 20 mils of our Creme De Peche. And we are going to go in with 30 mils of our pineapple juice. And we want about 20 mils of our cranberry juice. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with cubed ice. Just whack my tin on at an angle, big old smack to seal it, and then we'll give that a shake for around about 10 seconds. Here we go. I'm going to pop that open. So I've got a nice highball glass here. I'm just going to strain my drink into the glass, like so. We're going to fill that glass with cubed ice. And then for a garnish, I've just got some strips of banana leaf that I've cut. And I'm just going to pop one of these down the side, like so. And that is going to be our Mex on the Beach, ready to drink.